Hey everyone, I'm back, and today I'm walking into something weird. This is a cicada lure. Looks like a bug, sounds like trouble, and honestly, I have no idea how it's going to work. Okay, let's get this started. My first cast. I reeled in fast. The lure just spun. Okay, we got 3 more casts. On the second cast, I slowed down a retrieval and noticed the wings paddling through the water, so I decided to stick with the slow speed. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh man. Okay. Okay. Couldn't get it in. Slow retrieval. After almost reeling in a big one, but losing it, I decided to relocate to the nearby pond and reset. Finally. Okay. Finally on the board. Nope, no you don't. Come on back here. Finally on the board. Finally on the board. And it's raining. The weirdo bug. Guess you gotta fish it slow. Thanks. Wow. Another one? Try it again. Somebody hit you. Hit a big strike right there. Oh. With a miss. And yeah, it's starting to rain. Honestly, it might be a good thing. Okay. Let's see if it fires them up. Got another one. Ah. Okay. Wow. I'm really impressed. Really impressed. Really impressed with this. Okay. I'll put you back in. Bye, guy. Really impressed. Wow, cicada bug. Get my pliers. Whoa. So I just gotta fish this slow. Day 2, rainy day. Okay. Cicada. This looks like it's getting the big fish. Oh, there's another one. Where you at? There you go. Nice size ones too. Take out my pliers. All big ones. Wow. Okay. That's number 3. So work the bug slow. So all this time I was impatient. Okay, let's try this corner. Man, you coming back with vengeance. 3 big ones. Could have been 5, who knows? With this corner right here. There you go. Small one. But still. They hitting this. Okay, look guys. That's the reason why you should bring your needle nose pliers, because of these little bitty energy bunnies, energized bunnies I call them. It's not big, hey, but it'll do. Wow. Move this corner. I'm using my bait caster. I have a little bit more accuracy casting these corners. And for the two guys that I met over here, yeah, this pond has some big bass. Hey guys, I'm back, and this concludes some of the top water. And let's start off with the Whopper Ploppers. The Whopper Ploppers here, they start off with the action. And I wasn't surprised. These guys here, they always produce. Now, right behind them was the popper. Same thing, the production. These guys crushed this baby here. The star pupil was this weird cicada bug. And how to retrieve this? Retrieve it slow, and the wings move like this, like it's freestyle. There's a rattle inside that make that noise. This baby floats, and it's a slow retrieve. They crushed this one. This one here was kind of biased when it comes to the size of the bass. 2.5, 3+. Very production. I was very surprised, but I had to get the king sider just to learn. It's kind of funny to me, but hey guys, when it rains, it's a good thing. Don't run away. Let your hands get wet, because when you handle the fish, you're protecting that fish barrier. That's that slime on the fish. You don't want to take that slime off, because that is a protective barrier when it's in the water. So when your hands are wet, it's a good thing. But at the same time, you saw it, I dropped a lot of them because my hands is wet and slippery. But it's fine, because I wanted to protect the bass. Even when it's dry outside, wet your hands. Put your hands in the water first, so you can get something on your hands that relates back to that slime on that fish. So when you release it, it's a good thing. And guys, don't forget, use your pin nose pliers when you're dealing with treble hooks. That's very important, okay? Not like me, I keep forgetting. I'm handling the fish, I'm watching out, but accidents happen. Just be very careful. Now, that being said, we're going to try to slow this down, and now we're going to go with some other top water. The banana. And what I just showed you, I never fished with these guys before, and I'm gonna try it. These are good for lily pads, tall weeds, because it's summertime. And we're gonna see how this action works itself out. Now it's up to me. And make sure you subscribe. Send me some comments, hit the like. Join my team for the journey of 500 subscribers. We're almost there, but I'm having fun just by doing this grind. So until then, I'm Dennis from Dash Bass Fishing. I'll see you again. I'm out.